What's up, YouTube? It's Chris with Murphy Firearms Training. I have a holster to show you guys. And in my last holster video, someone had made the comment to me. They sent me an email and they said, hey, you called it an unboxing video, but you didn't actually unbox it. So here we go. We're going to start with the package. So this is from Vedder Holsters. They did send this out to me. Thank you very much to Vedder Holsters for sending that out. American flag, Vedder logo, and what's really important to me, made in USA. So, take this out of the package. What do we have? We have the bill, the invoice, whatever you want to call it. We got the book, all right? Vedder Holsters. This is their product catalog. It goes through everything they make here, their ratchet and gun belts, their different holsters, just to give you an idea of what they sell. And on the back, it has a coupon code for your next purchase. So it's kind of cool. And then, where's it at? I lost it. Sticker. And holster. America's most comfortable holsters. Again, the American flag, custom made in the USA. And this is their Pro Draw OWB paddle holster. Now, I'm going to start with saying they asked me what finish I wanted it in, and I saw this like faux leather, and I thought that was really cool. And I'm going to tell you guys from a distance, I would think this was a leather holster. And it is just a brown Kydex that they've roll stamped a pattern on. But boy, I really like that. You can order this holster with or without the sweat guard. I did order this holster with the sweat guard. I find that that's good to keep my shirt off of the gun, keep from getting my shirt caught up in the trigger. Does have adjustable cant. Again, it is a paddle holster. Got this kind of rubbery finish here to hopefully keep it from doing this. Nice big 3-tooth claw there. Big open sight channel, so it'll accommodate aftermarket sights. I did order this gun specifically for my Ruger American pistol. And just to show you guys the fit and finish here on the pistol. So full coverage of the trigger guard and the trigger. Both sides, full coverage of the trigger guard and the trigger. Sweat guard goes all the way up. I mean, literally just perfect for this gun. These are aftermarket sights. These are not the Novak sights that come with the gun. And again, full coverage by the holster there. Great fit. I will probably tighten that up just a hair. But again, it is adjustable retention, so you can adjust the retention. Vedder does use Phillips head screws. A lot of folks use Torx or things like that. I guess the advantage to Phillips head is everybody probably has a Phillips head, but nice thick Kydex, no sharp edges. This thing is really solid. The clip feels unbreakable. Like I'd hate to break it before I wear it, but it feels pretty stout. They brag about it on their website. We'll find out. I'll take it to the range. But here's the thing about this that really made me interested in it. I don't like paddle holsters. And I don't like paddle holsters because I conceal carry most of the time. And these things tend to stand off a lot. They stick out like a sore thumb. And most companies advertise it as a concealed carry holster, or they just keep their mouths shut. One of the things that I think is interesting about Vedder, and the reason I was interested in the Pro Draw, is it actually says on their website, and it says it here in the catalog, the Pro Draw by Vedder Holsters is the best open carry and range holster on the market. I really respect the fact that they realize for most folks this is not a concealed carry holster. And they put that out there for you so that you understand what you're getting. Because most paddle holsters don't do that. And so I think that's really interesting. This is really nice, especially if you're going to go to the range and on your trip to the range, you're not going to wear your holster because you can slip this over your belt, voila, then holster your gun, and you are ready to go. So we will have some drawing and shooting footage with this. We will take this to the range and give it a try because I want to draw it. I'm going to set the retention pretty tight and draw and see how this does, see how that fits my belt. But this is just the unboxing video, and I really, really like this, and so I'm excited to get it to the range, do some drawing, do some shooting, see how it holds, see how easy it is to slide on and off, and I'll get you some footage of me putting it on and off and some footage of me wearing it, but that'll be in another video. So anyway, this is the Vedder Pro Draw. Really cool pattern, really cool holster, and really marketed for what it is, which is open carry or range holster. So if you got to take your holster on and off, definitely an option. And I'll come back with a follow-up to show you guys how it holds up to my abuse. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Have a great day, and we appreciate your support.